how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. Welcome to another Snapchat tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat easily. If this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. The first thing we need to do is open up the Snapchat app on our iPhone or Android phone and select the profile icon with the symbol of a person in the top left of the app. This will take you to your Snapchat profile section, then select the settings in the top left. Next, scroll down and look for an option named Bitmoji here. Select Bitmoji from here. There are three options. As you can see, the first one is to change your outfit. The second option is editing your Bitmoji, while the third option is to choose a selfie, which means you can use your selfie photo in place of the Bitmoji. We are not interested in all of this since our aim is to remove the Bitmoji. We will select this option here named Remove Bitmoji. The Bitmoji has now been removed. This is how to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. Get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.